guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a braided wig unboxing. This is not glued down at all. No got to be, no spray, no nothing, just straight out of the package, thrown on my head, curled up baby hairs. Here we are. This is like a $120 braided wig. I'm gonna link everything below. This is from BraidsQueen, and this is my first time like really trying a braided wig that looks like this. I don't feel like it's going anywhere. I'm gonna show you guys all the specs to the wig, how I did it, everything in the next clip, but I just kind of wanted to briefly pop on and show you guys the hair because I'm feeling really sexy. Like, I haven't had braids in so long because you guys know I have a short haircut. I am here for it. I think it's super cute, honestly. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, let's just hop straight into it. Messy baby hairs at that. That's crazy. Let's get queen. This is the color 1B27 Goddess box braids, 13x4 lace frontal wig. Right now it's going for about $119. When I go and look at the reviews, everybody has high reviews, so I'm excited. They did give us a little bit of goodies. Wig cap, which I won't be putting on. They gave us some little beads and an elastic strap. This is what the front half looks like. The inside does have an adjustable strap. It's long, it's giving pretty color, and it does have already swooshed baby hairs, which I'm gonna keep long. Are y'all excited? So since I'm not gonna glue it down, what I will do is pull the baby hairs back and begin cutting the lace off. So I'm gonna cut the lace as close to the baby hairs as that I possibly can, and then we're gonna just literally put the wig on together, and that should be it. Okay, so I actually decided to just go for a wig cap. Okay, so I think I might need to take off the actual wig cap, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. Hold on. I'm just wondering, where did all my baby hairs go? I want my baby hairs like curled. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I left on some lace. I think baby hairs wise, I want them curled. So far, I do think that you can see the band and kind of like way too much of it. Can you see it? So it's like, I think I should take the band off. So if you were to do the bald cap method, this is what it would look like scalp wise on your head. What I'm gonna do now is go curl these baby hairs, and then we can like swoosh them around together. Okay, so I put on a hat because I wanted to try to flatten out the top. And I feel like that helped because the top was really just bulky. Yeah, so it already came curly. So I am just lightly, what do you call it? Just tossing baby hairs around, really to just hide the hairline. I just wanted like a messy front. What I do like about this wig is how comfortable it actually is on my head. I would think that a synthetic fiber wig would just be so uncomfortable. I really don't wear synthetic wigs, so you're not gonna really see much of them on my channel. I thought I'd give you guys a braided wig because it is summer. So I'm just going to toss it and kind of just curl it a bit with my finger. I'm going for like messy. So this is what it looks like. We got messy edges. I'm gonna just add these jewels because why not? It'll give us some pizzazz. But have you ever seen me with a braided wig on? Random spots. Beads would be cute, but I think that this is just going to help add some pizzazz. It's just gonna help it out just a little for framing and stuff. Mind you guys, you don't have to add these, but I do think that they help. Okay, am I surprised? Pleasantly. Like I said, I needed to do that little hat trick. So if when you get your wig, it's a little bulky at the top, be sure to throw in a tight hat. And I feel like it laid that lace down. You can even mousse it, put on a scarf, and then put on the hat so the top can be flat, you know what I mean? I wouldn't do a half up, half down with it. I would just keep it really down. I love the fullness. It's full, but it's not heavy, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like a heavy, high maintenance type of hair. I think that if you guys were going to wear this out to some type of resort, do be sure to glue it down. At least glue it with some type of glue that is going to keep it down all day. Granted, I don't feel like it's going anywhere. I'm not going to be doing much other than taking pictures, doing video content, and I like the craziness of the baby hairs. As you guys can see, my baby hairs are just all over the place. You can cut them and swoosh them to your liking, but I wanted them to be fluffy. When it comes to the length, they said that this was 30 and it is coming to I have my high waist pants on, so kind of like under my boobs-esque area right here. It's kind of a vibe. For the price, definitely worth it. I do think that it does require some work because just straight out of the box, y'all saw that I didn't have to do much, but I did have to do something. And putting on the hat really helped flatten out this little piece, and it could help flatten the sides out if I had on the hat even longer. But I absolutely love the color. It is stunning. This is an easy throw on and go wig. I do believe so because I didn't glue it down. I didn't do anything. Kept it real simple, real slight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Definitely out of my element, but I do have a bunch of wig tutorials coming up. I am just here to try to give you guys different styles, come out of my element when it comes to hairstyles, because granted I love hair, but sometimes I just kind of keep it real plain, middle part, bust down middle part, you know what I mean? I just keep it real simple. So I'm trying to do my best to come out of my shell with hair, but I do like it. I think that the lace is really good because I did leave on some lace, but overall it's cute. Okay, it's cute. Would I recommend for $100? Yes, it's $100. And then at the end of the day, you could wear it, put on a scarf. If you're feeling self-conscious about the hairline, you could wear it, put on a hat. Yes, so hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.